Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have My Comet Game by Leafy Honesty. In Leafy's code we can see some when touching occurs blocks, forever blocks, and some broadcast blocks too. Dodge the comets and rack up a high score. Next we have Debugger by Best Coder Ever. In the code, we can see when arrow pressed blocks for the movement, shoot at enemies blocks, and fly right or left distance blocks. Defeat all the enemies that are trying to bring bugs into your game. Next we have Fish Tycoon by Neat Pilot. In this code we see some say blocks for the texts, when I receive blocks, draw text blocks, and some change size blocks. Take care of your own fish tank and add cool features to customize it. Last but not least, we have Fractal by Bustling. In this text coding project, we can take a look at the code here. Watch as this user coded these cool fractals to take shape into their own. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!